Okay everyone, today I will give you a tutorial. How to install mod for Expeditions MudRunner game from mod.io. But this is different. I will show you how to mod Expeditions MudRunner game with the codex or rune version. As you know that with the codex or rune version, the mod browser in the game is not working. Let's check it first. As you can see here, my game I installed here is codex or rune version. And you can see here the mod browser is unable to verify account blah blah blah, something like that. Okay, now I will show you how to resolve this problem. Just follow my step carefully and don't skip it to avoid misunderstanding. This method is work for the Expeditions MudRunner and SNOWRUNNER 2, and it is work with the latest update version 29 until today I make the video. Just open the browser and download the tool first. Just follow my step and where I download the tool. Open the website. Name is stmods.org. Choose the SNOWRUNNER game and scroll down until you find the SNOWRUNNER mod installer version 1.6.6. Here you can see. Here you can see full guide how to install the mod. You can follow step by step with this instructions, or you can see this video till the end. First step, go to mod.io and make an account and log in. You can log in with your Gmail or with any email you have. Okay, just as simple as like that, and make name of your account. Let's check the next step. Create a tokens on mod.io. Find my account, tab access and request API key to request tokens. Just do like I do. Before it, create a client name first to request tokens. Then make new token name. Here it is, the tokens. I almost forget to download the tool. Download it and extract it wherever you want. The file you download, it is something like this, and extract it. Just extract the file wherever location you want. I think you all know how to do it. In this case, we will choose Expeditions, because we will mod the Expeditions game, not SNOWRUNNER. Okay, we will begin to install the mod. First, we will input the tokens that we have made at the first step on this video. Just open with Notepad, the file name .env. And copy the token to the access token like this. Then change the user profile like I do here. The user profile of the game is in System, Users, Public, Public Documents, Steam, Rune, 24/7/7340, Remote User Profile, CFG. Just copy the line and paste to it like I do. After that, copy and paste the path where the save game file of your game is based on your system. Just find it yourself. My path is C. Users, Dunny1 Dun, OneDrive. Documents. My game's Dexpeditions, based mods G, Modio, mods. And don't forget to save it. Next, copy the user_profile.cfg and overwrite it to C. Users, public, documents, Steam or rune, 24773400 remoti, user_profile.cfg. And replace it. After that, go to web browser, go to mod.io and find the mod that you want to install. Let's try this one. Click on subscribe and make sure the subscribe button has been subscribed. And then just execute the mod_installer.exe file and wait. Your mod is downloading. You can see here that the name of your mod and ID of your mod is same. Yeah, it's done. Okay, let's test the game. You see that the mod browser is work. Just click the mod and enable it to make it work. Let's check if it is work. See that mod is work. Here is the mod. Let's install one more to make sure this method is work. Okay guys, this is the method of install the mod of the game. Remember, this method is work until the version of Expeditions MudRunner game Update 3 and SNOWRUNNER V29. And this video is made. Thanks for watching and don't forget to support me with your subscribed.